free cryptocurrency right into your CoinBase account. Did I say free? Is this clickbait? Is this BS? No, guys. This is how to earn free cryptocurrency to your CoinBase account. Let's jump right into it. Your boy Cash Guru. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so you don't miss out on all these banger videos I'm dropping in the channel. So let's jump. How are you guys actually gonna earn? Is this kid BS to me? How are you guys gonna earn $20 or more on Coinbase? So I actually just dropped a previous video on how to buy cryptocurrency for beginners. Go check that out. I'm using a platform called CoinBase. Now what CoinBase is, it's a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. And once you sign up for an account, there's a link down in the description below. If you click on that link, you will get a free $10 credit as long as you invest or put $100 into it. Guys, you need to be investing in cryptocurrency because it is the future, okay? I'm telling you right now, you will get rich. This isn't about me getting rich. Invest. No, I'm telling you guys. When this Bitcoin, XRP, all this stuff pops off. Money. All right, so enough talking. Coinbase/earn. You're gonna go to Coinbase/earn after you have an account. Now look at all of these ways you can potentially earn 50 XLM, 20 DAI, 10 BAT. All these different ways that all you gotta do is, guys, watch videos, take a few quizzes. It's super easy, super fast. There's not, a bunch of BS sermons and all this. All right. But the cool thing is, guys, is let's say I don't want DAI. Let's say I don't want XLM. Let's say I want Bitcoin. Let's say I want XRP. On Coinbase, I can take the credit from this for free and I can invest it into Bitcoin. I can invest it into XRP. And that's some cha-ching right there, right? So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna start the course for the DAI one. This one's $20. I'm freaking hyped, guys. Let's go. Get started. I'm gonna go to earn $2 DAI. There's a bunch of these and it adds up. So I'm gonna watch this video and I'm gonna pause the video, and then we're gonna come back to it, right?
What is DAI?
And you guys thought I was playing. You guys thought it was capping. You just earned $14 in DAI. All right, so we're gonna go to done here, and I can also do these other earns. So go to coinbase.com/earn, and I think I'm gonna do the earn 50 in XLM, 10 BAT. So if we do the math here, 10, 60 plus 20, guys. All right, that's not bad. That's a good chunk of change because I can convert, like I said, guys, I can convert all these coins into any coin I want on Coinbase. All right, so.
Hi guys, I hope you like this video. Go do this for yourself to see that I'm not BSing you guys. Free earned cryptocurrency cash in your wallet ASAP. All right, so I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Boy Cash Guru. Make sure to hit the link down below to sign up for Coinbase. You don't want to miss out on this huge opportunity in the cryptocurrency space. Okay, guys, this is definitely the future right here. So be woke and be on and get that cash up. All right, it's your boy Cash Guru. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up on the gram. Your boy's out of here. All right.